You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my third social distancing vlog. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you consider staying by subscribing. So I'm just heading out now. I have an appointment at the bank, because now if you want to go to the bank you have to set an appointment because they're only taking in one person at a time. So my appointment is at 9:30. So I'm about to head out now, and then I'm gonna pick up a few things and I'm gonna come back indoors. I haven't been out of the house for, I want to say, about 8 days. I think the last time I went out was like on Friday, like the previous week. So I don't know. I don't know what outside looks like, so let's go and check it out. So here's today's fit. Oh yeah, and I wore my afro out today. I'm excited about that. Please tell me why it started raining when I was waiting to go into the bank, and then it stopped the moment I stepped in, and now the sun is even out. Like, they don't want my fro to shine. But anyway, I'm about to go into the pharmacy now. I need to pick up a few things, and then the supermarket, then I'm done. Whoa.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low.
I'm finally home. So the two most important things that I got were paper towels, because we use hand towels, and yeah, I just feel like this is a lot more hygienic, and hand soap, because I usually buy one for the scent, but now I need that germ protection. So those are the most dire things that I needed to get. Okay, so I also got these two from the pharmacy. I want to switch to an aluminum free deodorant. So I got this from Yves Rocher, and I heard that if you're switching from like normal roll-on to this one, you might sweat a little bit because you're used to the chemicals and stuff. So since I'm not doing a lot of activity because of the lockdown, I just decided to try it now. And then I also got this is like 80% alcohol. And then I also got some lashes. I need to learn how to do these again, because I've been getting individuals for the longest time now, and it's such a time saver when you're doing your makeup, and now I have to learn again. So I might try doing that tomorrow, because I need to take some pictures. Hey, so yesterday I got home, I took a nap, and then I made dinner. I made a 3-course meal again, because what else is there to do? And then yeah, today I had some work to do for my lectures tomorrow, and I did that, and I haven't eaten, guys, because I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I'm trying to learn new things during this time. So the first thing is taking my own photos and editing them. My birthday is in 2 weeks, and I have a photo shoot for my birthday every year. Don't ask me why, I just like doing it. So now, because of the situation, I can't do that. So I have 2 weeks to learn how to take and edit my own photos, just so I still have the same feel for my birthday. And yeah, so I've just been practicing. Also, I think I did a good job with my lashes. Guys, I don't remember the last time I put on like strip lashes, but I think I did good. So now I'm about to have something to eat, obviously, because I'm hungry. And then I need to prep my chicken for supper. All I do is cook and eat, guys. And then try and edit the photos I took today. And yeah, I'll post them on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me. Thanks. Oh, also tomorrow I'm gonna learn how to do cornrows because I can't keep my hair like this for a long time. I need to get it in some sort of a protective style, so I'm gonna have to do cornrows tomorrow. Okay, so this is the prep for the chicken. I'm making fried chicken today, so for the flavor to soak into the chicken and not just the coating, I soak it in milk and spices. Hey guys, and welcome to the worst part of the day. Now I'm joking, I actually love skincare, so
I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
hey guys, so today's Friday and I didn't vlog yesterday and I didn't vlog the day before that because they were just normal days. I just had lectures, worked out, did nothing. But today I'm doing some meal prep, and if I am able to, I'm going to wash all my wigs and then I'm gonna style them tomorrow. And then I am also going to try and do cornrows. I think I'll do that tomorrow because I need to shampoo my hair. With all the afro and the hairstyles and whatever, I have so much product in it, so I need to wash it tomorrow. I'm going to do my rice water and leave it overnight so I can wash my hair tomorrow, and then I'm gonna attempt cornrows. So yeah, that should be something. But today is like meal prep day. So this is breakfast today, very simple and easy to make. Having blueberry and strawberry yogurt with kiwi, banana, and some walnut.
Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah.
So after meal prep yesterday, I was too tired to do my hair, my own hair and my fake hair, so I'm gonna do that now, and then probably work out and shower and have breakfast at probably have breakfast at 3 because I've been waking up late. This is me actually waking up now. I tried to watch Money Heist. I think I watched 2 episodes and then I fell asleep, so I'm gonna rewatch it today. Although I was waking up like parts of episode 5, parts of episode 6, so I already know it's gonna happen, but like I need to watch the process. Yeah, so yeah, that's today. We are washing her. She's my longish straight weave, and we are also washing her, my longish burgundy weave, and then my straight bob and my curly hair. I just use normal shampoo and then a lot of conditioner. For these 3, I'm probably gonna need 3 bottles because the curly one takes a lot.
And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. tattoos, just a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah, there's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose.
Good morning. So I just finished cleaning and taking a shower, and I did that really fast because I am streaming mass today and it starts in like 4 minutes, so I'm just waiting for the live to start, and then yeah, mass time.
Kizibe ukuthi our biggest enemy inobulayela ishayisa pena yashayela ukuthi mali labalekela umkhulu bazokufolesa. This biggest enemy is sin. Penda imako kunima ngayipira kunima kama ushazoya moyabe uchinamata musaneta kunamata.
Okay, so I just finished mass and I'm making breakfast because even though I wasn't receiving the Eucharist, I still like to follow the Eucharist fast. Sorry, let me turn this down. Okay, so today's Palm Sunday and we are entering, or we have entered, Holy Week. So today's sermon was obviously really related to the coronavirus and everything that it is bringing about in people. He said it brings out the worst and the best in people, and people need to have the right attitude. This is the time to be asking God for guidance. This is the time to be helping out the needy. This is not the time to be hoarding stuff. So the sermon was just centered around, as we enter the Holy Week, are you being holy? Who are you helping out? Are you trying to build good relationships? Like he said, now it's a time where we are all stuck at home, or we are all at home. So teach your children to pray, teach your parents to pray, teach everyone love. He also said that right now we are filled with fear, and we're filled with a fear of physical death, but this should also remind us that we should be fearful of spiritual death. And when we do die, how your relationship with God is. Like the biggest disease that we should be afraid of is our sin and that holiness that we are supposed to strive for. It was really good. There's something about Shona Mass, and I actually didn't know that they were streaming this, but my mom last night when she called, she told me I should stream this since it's Palm Sunday and stuff. But then she didn't tell me this one in particular. She was telling me about Canada, Australia. But then I then spoke to my brother about it, and then he gave me a link to like our cathedral, the one that I attend. So, you know, there's just something about, I don't know, songs in your own language, prayers in your own language, mass in your own language that just has a better impact, I feel, for me personally. So that was really good. I'm uplifted, I'm in a better mental state, and best way to start the week. Okay, breakfast is spinach, spring onion and mushroom omelette, and then a smoothie. So we have here ginger, cucumber, banana, apple, and then strawberries and blueberries. And I'm also going to add this coconut almond milk.
Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah. You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do.
So all my faves decided to upload today. There's Patricia, Jess even gave us 2 videos. Oh, guys, I'm spoiled for choice. Okay, so my Sundays are dedicated to self-care, so I just popped on a B3 mask, and it's like a radiance boost mask, and I'm about to catch up on all those YouTube videos and sleep. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the